welcome. This is a fast and easy step-by-step tutorial on how to change your Google Chrome background or the theme. There's two ways to go about it. The easiest way is to make sure that you've got the latest version of Google Chrome. Open your Google Chrome and then in the top right corner click on the three buttons there and then go to Help and About, and here you can see the version of your Google Chrome. Now to get back, we go back here, and the easiest way to upload or change backgrounds is go to the right bottom corner. You'll see there's customize. It doesn't matter how many windows you open, the button is always there. Now you can choose the open, and here you can see if you can select default windows here or backgrounds, and then you can also change the way your shortcuts show, and then also the color and theme. Let's go back here and choose landscapes, and you can choose that one and say done. There we go, and that's how it looks. And if you want to go back to default, just click it on again and just click here no background and say done, and that's that. So that's one way. And you can also go here and say upload the picture that you want, and you can use your own picture as a background. The other one that I'm going to show you now, it's also a little bit easier. You just go on to the three buttons here and you go to settings, and once you're in settings you go down to appearance and you'll see there's themes. So here you can select backgrounds and themes, and here you can click on open Chrome Web Store. There is a lot of free stuff here, and here at the beginning you can see there's themes, so that will change the tabs and font at the top and also the background. And if you go down you can start seeing some backgrounds. That's only the backgrounds, not the theme itself. And then if you go down, all the good stuff is down here. So there's good pictures, there's a lot of stuff you can choose off. Let's just use this one. If you just click on it, it will open the picture and you can get a glimpse of how it's going to look. And then to add it, you just say add to Chrome. Then you'll see in the left bottom corner it's downloading. Then we just have to wait for it to finish, and then it's going to install. As soon as it's installed, it will change like this, and then as soon as you open a new tab, that background is going to be there, just like that. Quick and easy. Now if you made a mistake doing it like this and you want to change it to something else, or you want to remove it, just go to the three buttons again and go to settings, go down. Now you can see here at appearance theme it says Eiffel Tower, and to remove it you can say reset to default. If you click on that and you go back to the window, it's gone. And that's the two easy ways how to add backgrounds and themes. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more future videos, and take care.